So if you see how our herbal teas were made, they were all made with the right combinations. You would never have, like whenever we drank turmeric, they would put it in milk with pepper and some ghee or honey, because turmeric tends to heat your body, and to cool it, to have that balancing effect, they would always add it in combination in that recipe. So they clearly knew how to mix these things, mixologists. In the world of plant dyes, you will get a limited palette of colors, and the palette will fade, it will bleed, you can't hang it in the sun. There are many limitations of using pure plant dyes. Whereas in mainstream, people want bright, happy colors. So if you see, these are things that are done with pure plant dyes. The colors are more muted earth tones, albeit indigo is not representative. So in this palette, you will only get a limited variety. So these are things that give grip to the color, because otherwise the colors will tend to bleed even faster than they normally do. It's also very good digestive. So even now, I don't know what it tastes, but they make it into powder and they give it a harda powder. And if you have an upset stomach, then they give you harda. So we have the binder, the color fastener, and then you have the ingredient that gives the color. We've just kept a few examples. You could use annatto. Annatto is the coloring ingredient. You can use madder. So this root that you see here, this is Indian madder. This gives a reddish color. You can use pomegranate peel. Pomegranate peel gives a lime green color, not a red color. The color it takes is kind of like that color. So yeah, that's pomegranate peel color. Destroy all the problems. So they come years, and also many years in the craft and skill itself. So today is as much about printing as it is with interacting with the master artisans and really enjoying their experience and skill that they bring to the table. We have a variety of blocks that Mallikarjun is going to demonstrate today. So you have essentially blocks fall into three categories broadly. These are border blocks. Now you see, each of you is going to print a table runner, which is already pinned over there, and these are all organic cotton table runners. So you have border blocks that can be used along the edge. Then you have these sort of blocks which are continuous blocks. They run from yeah. So it's a fill, and you will see there are minor. It's hard to see unless you're up close and printing, but there are minor points which act like guide as to where the guides.
Like the blue.
Oh, there's a blue.
Yes.
Is it this blue?
No, that one. I like this one.
Was it?
Yeah, this is good.
Okay. Now, what does start to do? Number one, that one.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Shukriya.
That corner first. And straight. Make sure it's straight. You're done.
This.